Well, hello, people of the planet. This is your roving reporter, Jazzy Ass, coming at you all the way from Udhailiyah, Saudi Arabia. I want to show you some developments that are happening outside of my house right now. Today is March 16th, Saturday morning, and the time is 11:39 a.m. So a couple of days ago, I did notice that there was some water a leak somewhere here on the street, and I knew it was originating close from somewhere in front of my house. But of course, did I report it? No, because I didn't want to be inconvenienced without water during the weekend. So I said to myself, I will just wait until Sunday and then I will report the water leak. But somebody has beat me to it, and now they have dug up the street right here in front of my house. And remember a while back in one of my other videos, I said if you ever see this truck in your neighborhood, then that means you have no running water. Da 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 da. So here we are right here in front of my house. Big old hole dug in front of our newly laid asphalt. So it hasn't even been a good few months yet and already dug up. So they're installing some new pipes here. You see the guys way down, deep down in there, putting in some new pipe. Couldn't even park in front of my house. I had to park across the street in my soon-to-be neighbor's driveway. But yeah, here we are. Beautiful afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
Bye.
You have an update for us? When do you think it'll be finished?
Maybe 1 o'clock finish,
1 o'clock. Okay, so in a couple of hours, it will be finished. Did you have to replace a pipe or just repairing? What was the issue?
Something leak.
Something.
Damage.
All right. Thank you so very much. So you heard it right here. Maybe around 1 o'clock, we'll have water again.